In a large distribution center, the daily goal is to transport thousands of products from the shelves to delivery trucks and eventually to the customers. A common method used to pull this off is utilizing a conveyor belt system to move large quantities of product around the warehouse. A conveyor belt system is driven by a simple mechanical power transmission system known as a chain drive. In this example, an electric motor is the power source for the drive system. The motor is attached to a gearbox, and a sprocket is attached to the gearbox shaft. When this input shaft rotates, it also turns the chain, which is connected to a sprocket on the output shaft. The output shaft is connected to the conveyor belt, and that's what makes the conveyor belt move. The input shaft and output shaft are often referred to as the driver and the driven shafts, respectively. Notice that the driver sprocket is much smaller than the driven. Because of this, the speed ratio from the driver to the driven is different, and therefore the speed and load capabilities can be specific to the needs of this application. Since the driven side is moving slower than the driver, the speed of the conveyor is slower than the speed of the electric motor. Also, reducing speed multiplies the torque, which increases the load that the conveyor system can handle. In this particular instance, the approximate input to output ratio is 2:1. If you'd like to know more about the components of chain drives or even conveyor belt systems, feel free to get in contact with Motion Industries. Call, click, or visit today. Remember, chain drives are used in a multitude of applications. A conveyor system is just another example of products in motion.